Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika's Vibe. Today I'm here with a whole day meal plan under 1800 calories. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, everything is included into this 1800 calories. Whenever I prepare a meal, I always keep in mind that the meal should be healthy, nutritious, delicious, looking good, budget friendly and easy to make. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my meal from morning to night. So keep on watching. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's get started. After waking up, I'm making here a morning drink for me. Here is 1 glass of warm water and I'm adding 1 spoon of chia seeds into this. Giving it a good stir and I'm gonna rest it for 10 minutes with the lid on. Now you can see the seeds are soaked and become fluffy. Now I'm gonna squeeze half a lime into this. And here is my morning drink. It's completely ready to enjoy. This morning drink has lots of health benefits such as it promotes weight loss, good for digestion, reduces risk of heart disease, has anti-inflammatory properties, lower blood sugar level, good for bone health, reduces cancer chances, improves skin quality, improves immune system, prevents the growth of microorganisms, helps prevent kidney stones. After 30 minutes, I am making here breakfast for me and today I am gonna make apple smoothie bowl. Here are some apple cubes which I have chopped before. In a pan, I am adding little amount of water. Now the water is boiling and I am adding here the apple cubes into this pan. I am gonna boil this for 3 minutes with the lid on. After 3 minutes, the apple cubes become soft. I am gonna let it cool a little bit. Here I have 1 grinding jar and I'm adding the apple cubes into this. Also adding the boiled apple water. Adding 1 date into this. Now adding the pieces of 1 frozen banana. For smoothie bowl, I want creamy and thick consistency and that's why I didn't add any milk into this. And because of this, the grinding process will be a little bit harder. In every 10 seconds, I am mixing all this with the help of a spoon. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Look at the texture of this. Now I am adding into this half a spoon of cinnamon powder, adding 3 spoons of oats, 1 spoon of homemade peanut butter. I have shared the recipe before on my YouTube channel. I will share the link below. Check this out. Now I'm gonna blend this all together. Look at the smoothie texture. This is creamy, thick and smooth. That's what I wanted. Now I'm adding few slices of apples on top of this. Here I have some granola which I have made before. If you want the recipe, please comment below. I'm adding the granolas as well. Sprinkling the cinnamon powder. Adding chia seeds. And here I have some walnuts. And my breakfast smoothie bowl is ready to enjoy. This is a yum treat for morning. I always prefer to make my food look good. This is bowl full of goodness which I wanna have at morning. It's time to prepare the lunch. For lunch today I'm gonna make garlicky chickpeas with morning glory, poached egg and mashed sweet potato. Sounds good, right? Here I have some overnight soaked chickpeas. This is 500 grams soaked chickpeas. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat all today. This is a great source of protein, and that's why I prefer to add chickpeas in so many recipes. And that's why I always prefer to make into batch. Now I'm adding all the soaked chickpeas into a pressure cooker. Adding 1 cup of water into this. I'm gonna cook it for 6 to 8 whistles. After cooling down, I'm opening the pressure cooker. Look at the chickpeas, this is completely cooked. Now I'm washing my sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. They are also high in antioxidants that protect your body from free radical damages and chronic disease. So try to add sweet potatoes into your diet. Now I'm peeling the potatoes. Here I have 2 pieces of this because I'm making lunch for 2 servings. I'm chopping this into pieces. I'm gonna steam this into a steamer for 15 minutes. Today I have morning glory as green leafy veggies. I'm in Bangkok and morning glory is easily available in here. And here I'm roughly chopping all this. And here I have some garlic cloves to mince. I love the smell of garlic. It's a good source of antioxidants and prebiotics, so always try to add garlic into your diet. Here I have one preheated pan and I'm spraying coconut oil into this. Now adding the minced garlics, stirring for a few seconds, and now I'm adding the chopped morning glories. I'm gonna cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I'm adding here the boiled chickpeas. Adding little bit Himalayan pink salt, cumin powder, paprika, black pepper powder. Stirring it for another 1 minute and it's done. 15 minutes is over and my sweet potatoes are completely cooked now. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Till then, I'm making here an egg poach. Here I have the same oil spray bottle. I'm spraying a little bit oil on this pan. Adding 1 whole egg. We'll cook it for 1 minute with the lid on. Here I'm adding the steamed sweet potatoes into a grinding jar because I'm making mashed potato today. Now I'm adding homemade yogurt into this. Adding little bit Himalayan pink salt and black pepper powder. And I'm gonna blend this all together. In every 10 seconds, I'm giving it a good mix. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's plating time. I'm adding garlicky chickpeas with the morning glory into this plate. Adding well-cooked poached egg and mashed potatoes. Adding few drops of extra virgin olive oil on top of the mashed potato, it will enhance the taste. And green onions. And this is how my lunch plate looks like today. This is completely fulfilling, nutritious, healthy lunch plate. In the evening, I have here some snacks and jasmine tea. In snacks, I have some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, roasted black chana and almonds. After workout, I'm taking here protein shake. This is whey protein and I'm adding here 1 scoop of protein powder into some water and then shake, shake, shake. It's dinner time. I always keep my dinner simple and easy to make. And today I'm gonna make steamed veggies. I washed all the veggies before and now I'm gonna chop them all. Vegetables are a good source of dietary fiber, a type of carbohydrate that helps pass food through your digestive system. The fiber may also improve vitamin and mineral absorption in the body, which could potentially raise your daily energy levels. I love to eat vegetables in so many ways, and steamed veggies is the healthier one. Let me know in comment below that which vegetable is your favorite. In vegetables, today I have carrots, broccoli, baby corn, and the unknown one. I don't know the exact name of this green vegetable because this is one of the local Thai vegetables. If anyone knows the exact name of this vegetable, so please let me know in comment below. Thanks in advance. And then I have some cauliflower and capsicum. I always love to add seasonal vegetables into my diet because they are fresher, taste better, and have the highest amount of nutrition and antioxidants. Beetroot. I love the color of beetroot. Do you know the vegetables rich in color are also rich in healthy benefits? So always try to add colorful vegetables into your diet. And now I'm adding all the chopped veggies into this steamer. And I'm gonna cook this for 8 minutes. And here is my dinner plate. I have added some boiled kidney beans into this plate. Kidney beans are an excellent plant-based source of protein. They are also rich in various minerals, vitamins, fibers, antioxidants, and other unique plant compounds. And I'm adding some homemade dressing on top of this to enhance the taste. If you don't like steamed veggies, then think about their health benefits. I'm sure you're gonna love this. It's not that yummy, but the fresh one. So that's it. That was the video for today. A whole day meal plan under 1800 calories. Now you know how to prepare your meal. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys.